Now I normally don't drive crawlers here, but I kind of put the little SCX24 up to good use right now.
Tell you the truth, guys, I didn't even think that it could pull this 1/7 scale 20-pound speed car, but it's got the torque to do it. Look at him go! Whoa! Now the topic of this video is to break 100 miles. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Honestly, I've never really owned a crawler, so I picked this guy up for like 120 bucks at my local hobby shop, and it's honestly pretty fun. I don't even like to crawl, and it is, yeah, it's pretty fun. Okay, guys, last time we were out here, we actually hit 153 miles an hour with Spartan. And that was actually without a GoPro mount. So we actually have the same exact setup in Spartan. As you guys can see, that massive Coca-Cola can motor, well, I'd say Mountain Dew per se, but we're running the same exact 1100 kV XLX2 ESC, banana slick foams, and we're gonna see how well it does. Hopefully it actually handles up pretty well with the little aerodynamic drag that we're gonna be getting from the GoPro mount. Yeah, so we hit 153 miles an hour. I'm gonna guess we're gonna be 2, 3, 4, I would say at most 5 miles an hour tops. If I could actually hit 140 with this mount on, I'd be really, really happy. Now, I know obviously it's not really beneficial to have it on your rear wing. It's gonna cause disturbance in your airflow. I know. Normally to start off, guys, I actually use this as a warm-up battery. It is the 70C 5000 milliamp from CNHL, but we're actually gonna mix it up today. Instead of running that, we're actually gonna do a 6000 milliamp 6S 65C. So the C rating is a little bit less, but the milliamperage is actually 1,000 more than this guy. You could actually see the little bit of height difference. It's a little bit bigger of a battery. Yes, we're down a little bit in C rating, or let's say punch, or whatever you guys want to call it, but we actually have 1,000 more milliamps to work with. Hopefully it can compensate for the little bit of power or punch loss that we're going to get from 65C over 70C. I think they're going to be about the same speed, honestly, but I guess we'll find out. Now, up next, we are going to be doing our 8S Pass. Now, these are the batteries that I solely relied on for Spartan. Now, we are going to be doing them in series. As you guys know, 4 and 4 in series, double the voltage, makes 8S LiPo. So that's what we're going to be doing for our 8S run. Let's see how well it holds up. Guys, we're all zeroed out. We are running the Black Edition 6S 6000 as a warm-up. Let's see what it's got. Wow, very impressive, guys. 133 miles an hour. All right, guys, XLX2 1100 kV when we're running the Black Edition 65C. If you guys want to see it, I wasn't really even in that long, so there's definitely a lot more to go with this battery. Very, very good 6S warm-up. All right, we're all zeroed out, guys. Now it's time for our 8S Pass. Now, as you guys can see, we have both the 9500 milliamp 90C for CNHLs in there in series. We're gonna see what we can do. All right, let's see what that was, guys. Exactly 150 miles an hour on the GPS. Now, most likely the GPS on the GoPro might read 1 or 2 miles an hour quicker. Either way, that is insane that it still was able to pull and push over with this obviously not that aerodynamic GoPro mount on top. All right, so as you guys can see, running our CNHL 4S 9500 milliamps, 90 Cs, 1100 kV, and it's not exactly that hot. I could keep my hand on the motor. It's a little warm, but it's nothing really insane. ESC is not even warm, which is crazy. Yeah, guys, Gone Bananas racing skins really held up well. Car handled great. Now this run absolutely shows that this vehicle is definitely capable of over 150 miles an hour. So yeah, guys, it's confirmed. We are absolutely over 150. I know that we did it one time, but this is again with the GoPro mount. Dang. Guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am of how successful Spartan is in the whole build and the project. I am so humble that this vehicle does the speed that it does. Because I'm not gonna lie, guys, this video does not do any justice with how fast it's really blowing by you. Honestly, it's almost intimidating. Now, if you guys haven't done so, be sure to subscribe to Innovation RC. Oh, also Innovation RC over there too. On Instagram, we're gonna have more pictures, videos, and other stuff behind the scenes of what you won't see on YouTube here. Definitely do that if you want to see more of Spartan and other builds that I have that you haven't seen before, such as this guy. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button below and subscribe for more. Obviously, we'll have more pictures, videos, and other stuff coming out. Alright, as always, guys, be safe and have a good one.